Hello and welcome back for another Fantom price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets here on the Fantom chart. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and also give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And you can see that at the time of this recording, Fantom has continued to be in this consolidation phase, where we have also continued to trade within this ascending channel that I have right here on the charts, where you can also see that we are also holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And there are chances that we might continue seeing higher prices and see a breakout of the channel to the upper side, possibly get a successful retest, then continue gearing up. And you can also see that Fantom last week was also not spared in the massive sell-off that also played out in the market, where you can see that we saw this massive dump, giving us a low at around the $0.2128 mark. And afterwards, you can see that we have been in much of a recovery to the upper side, where you can now see that Fantom at the time of this recording is up by more than 16.55% from that low that we made after seeing the massive crash. And today I'm also expecting a lot of volatility in the market, where you can see that here on the Forex Factory, today we have the CPI data which is coming out at 3:30 p.m. my time. And at that time, once we get the CPI data, I'm expecting a lot of volatility in the market, where if the CPI has a positive impact, then we can expect our massive breakout out of this channel to the upper side and continue gearing up, maybe to our next key area of resistance at around the $0.3 mark. But if the CPI is negative to the market, then we can expect another crash over here, where maybe we could still continue holding above the low that we made at around the $0.213 mark. So we need to have that in mind also. And to also give you my price analysis basing it on the Elliot structures, I'll be jumping to the 4-hour chart, where I'll start the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after seeing our December lows last year, we started a 5-wave move to the upside, where we peaked in that wave 5, giving us a high at around the $0.65 mark, in a move that also completed the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78. And you can see that we fully maximized the target area, though the massive crash that we saw last week made us lose the fib level 0.78, though we continue to hold above the fib level 0.88, and there are still chances that we are going to recover in what will be the start of an impulse in the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 3. And for us to fully confirm that we are back in the formation of this wave 3 and that the low for this wave 2 is now in, I'll be expecting Fantom to give us a 5-wave move here on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective structure. And once that plays out, then we can expect another impulse to the upside and continue gearing up. And once we see such a scenario on the charts, that will be enough confirmation that the low is in and the start of an impulse has now started in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Fantom chart. And today the most important thing that we need to keep our eyes on is the CPI data, because that will give the market the direction to follow for the next few days. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 43 mark, On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.